Namaste to all students. Myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle is followed by glycolytic pathway, and its other name is Krebs cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. And sequence of the reaction in mitochondria uh, happens that oxidize the acetyl moiety of acetyl coenzyme to carbon dioxide. Final common pathway for the oxidation of carbohydrate, lipid, and protein metabolized to acetyl coenzyme A or intermediate of the cycle. This process occurs in most tissues, but liver is the only tissue in which all occur to a significant extent. In the citric acid cycle, cycles start with the reaction between the acetyl moiety of acetyl coenzyme A, 4 carbon di carboxylic acid, oxaloacetate, forming a 6 carbon tricarboxylic acid or citrate. Main pathway for ATP formation linked to the oxidation of metabolic fuels. Process is aerobic in nature and require oxygen as the final oxidant of the reduced coenzyme. Enzymes of the citric acid cycle are located in the mitochondrial matrix, either free or attached to the inner mitochondrial membrane and the Christie membrane. The initial reaction between acetyl coenzyme A and oxaloacetate to form citrate is catalyzed by the citrate synthetase. Citrate is isomerized to cis-aconitate by the enzyme aconitase, which is further rehydrated to isocitrate. Isocitrate then undergoes into the dehydrogenation catalyzed by the isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme to form initially oxalosuccinate, which remains enzyme bound NAD to NADH. It further undergoes decarboxylation to alpha ketoglutarate, which requires Mg plus 2 or Mn plus 2 ions, and carbon dioxide is given out. Here you can simply see the complete whole cycle. This is oxaloacetate. Acetyl coenzyme A will come and will create citrate. Then isomerase function happens and cis-aconitate will create. Then cis-aconitate will convert into the isocitrate by using aconitase enzyme. Isocitrate will convert into the oxalosuccinate by using isocitrate dehydrogenase. Then isosuccinate can convert into the alpha ketoglutarate, and alpha ketoglutarate will further go for the succinyl coenzyme A by using alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex enzyme, and then this succinyl coenzyme will convert into the succinate by using succinate thiokinase, and succinate will convert into the fumarate by using succinate dehydrogenase. Fumarate will convert into the malate by using fumarase. Malate then convert into the oxaloacetate by using malate dehydrogenase. If we talk about the energy generating steps, so when isocitrate will convert into the oxalosuccinate, so NADH will create. On the other hand, when alpha ketoglutarate will convert into the succinyl coenzyme, then second NADH molecule will generate, and when succinyl coenzyme will convert into the succinate, so it will use ATP molecules, and on the other hand ATP generate, and succinate when convert into the fumarate, so it will create one FADH2 molecule, and when malate will convert into the oxaloacetate, so it will create NADH molecule. So this is the complete one cycle. We are having two pyruvate molecules. So for the completion of the cycle, so Krebs cycle have to complete into the two phase. So all the energy currency will be double at the time of the calculation. Vitamins that play key roles in the citric acid cycle. So riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, pantothenic acids are important during the citric acid cycle reaction. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.